6 months ago, I wanted one thing: a remote that could finally replace the pile of remotes living on my coffee table. The SofaBaton X1S promised a lot: a custom app, one-touch activities, voice control, a hub-based setup, API integration, and a database that supports over 6,000 brands and 500,000 home entertainment devices. On paper, it sounded like the universal remote I had been waiting for. So after 6 months of living with it, here's the real question: does it actually make home theater easier? Or does it just look impressive in a product demo? My honest answer is this: the X1S is at its best when you want your setup to feel like a system, not a bunch of separate devices. The whole idea of activities is what makes it click. Instead of turning on the TV, then the receiver, then the streaming box, then changing inputs, I can hit one scene and let the remote handle the chain for me. SofaBaton says the X1S is built around one-click activities like watch movie, which automatically turns on devices and switches inputs. That's exactly the kind of convenience that starts to feel essential once you get used to it. What I've appreciated most over time is the hub setup. The X1S hub is designed for 360-degree control, with an infrared range of up to 30 feet and 2 IR blasters to help cover blind spots. In practice, that means I do not have to point the remote like I'm trying to land a plane. It just works from the couch, and the entertainment area stays cleaner because the hub can be tucked away in a cabinet. The other feature that sounds small but matters more than you'd think is the raise-to-wake screen. The X1S includes a 2.0-inch LCD display, and the screen lights up when you pick up the remote. After months of use, that little quality-of-life detail still feels premium, especially in a dark room. The backlight also helps a lot when you are watching a movie and do not want to turn on every light just to find the right button. Battery life has also been a strong point for me. SofaBaton lists the built-in E50 mAh battery and says the remote can last up to 45 days, with up to 50% charge in 30 minutes. In long-term use, that changes the way you think about the device. It stops being another thing I have to babysit and starts being something you just keep on the table and trust. Now, let's talk about compatibility, because that is where a universal remote either wins or loses. SofaBaton says the X1S supports infrared devices, Bluetooth LE devices, classic Bluetooth devices, Roku Wi-Fi version, Philips Hue, and Sonos. The tech specs also note known support for PS4 and PS5. That broad support is one of the reasons the X1S feels future-friendly rather than locked to just one kind of setup. But there is a catch, and it is worth being honest about it. The X1S still depends heavily on the app for setup. SofaBaton says the remote itself can be used without downloading the app, but most settings require the SofaBaton app, which is available on iOS and Android, not PC. In real life, that means the upfront setup experience matters a lot, and you should expect to spend some time customizing it before it becomes effortless. That said, once it is configured, the whole system feels more polished than the average universal remote experience. You can create virtual buttons, assign commands, and build macros for things like menus and favorite channels. SofaBaton also says the X1S supports voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and it can integrate through API functionality for things like IFT or iOS shortcuts. For a long-term user, those are the features that make the remote feel like part of a smart home setup instead of just a replacement remote. There are still a few limitations I would keep in mind. SofaBaton says the X1S works with the X1S hub. One remote can connect to a hub at a time, and some devices have special compatibility caveats. For example, the FAQ says the first-generation Fire Stick is not supported by Bluetooth mode. That does not make the X1S bad. It just means this is still a device you should match carefully to your setup. So, after 6 months, where do I land? If your home theater is a mess of remotes, inputs, and wait, which button turns this on again? Frustration. The SofaBaton X1S makes a very strong case for itself. Its strengths are the hub control, activity-based automation, customizable buttons, long battery life, and the fact that it tries to unify the entire room into one system. Would I call it perfect? No. Would I call it the kind of device that quietly makes your setup better every single day? Absolutely. And that, to me, is what a good long-term review should come down to. Not just whether a product is impressive on day one, but whether it still makes sense months later. For the SofaBaton X1S, the answer is yes. 6 months in, the SofaBaton X1S has not just replaced my remotes, it has simplified the way I use my whole entertainment setup. Before you go, there's currently a spring sale on the SofaBaton X1S. You can get 35% off using code TICKFIGURE35. Links are in the description, both the official store and Amazon. If you're going to pick one up, now's the time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more long-term tech reviews.